This is pages 4 and 5. I'm going to cover both of these in this lesson. You're doing the same thing. Page 4 is for the right hand, page 5 is for the left. Okay, that's good stuff. We're talking about the round hand shape. We're keeping this shape. We're not spreading out. We're not collapsing. We're not tensing up with the fingers. Nice, relaxed fingers. Firm, but relaxed. On sticky fingers for the page 4, we're here. It's all right hand. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just passing weight from finger to finger. I exaggerated so you can see it better, and you can exaggerate it at first if you need to get that feeling, because eventually it's a very slight feeling, but it's still this. Second line is 2 and 3. I'm not sure what they mean by cotton candy fingers, but I guess sticky, is that it? Sticky. Stay on the keys, don't raise up like that. You're on the keys, you're relaxed. I just put weight on it, and then put weight on that one. The fingers stay on the keys. And then 3 and 4. I don't know why they don't do 4 and 5, but I think you should. 4 and 5. It's the same thing. If you're using weight to do it, you can do this on any 2 fingers. Just keep the fingers on the keys. And I'm using weight to push it down. I'm just walking on the piano here. It's like walking on the street where you're passing weight from leg to leg. I'm just doing it from finger to finger. That's all it is. On page 5 is the same thing for the left hand. They're starting here. Here. I have a little problem in my left hand. I've developed a shot quiver. The doctor says, live with it, can't do a lot about it. So it bothers because sometimes I'll shake and things will go on here and you think, what's going on? That's just me. You don't have to shake. You're fine, just the way you are, just here. And then 3 and 2. Again, the fingers are staying right on the keys. And then here, same thing. Do 4 and 5 too. You should do 4 and 5 the most, actually, because again, they're awkward fingers, but the more you use them, the less awkward they get. So don't shy away from 4 and 5. Just make sure that the little finger doesn't collapse. It's round, just like the others. And play it softly if you have to, because that's light. It's harder when you put a lot of weight on it, because it's a weaker finger. But even with a lot of weight, you still want it to be curved here. I don't know, you can see it very well, but here. People have asked me if I put a camera to the edge so they can see my hands this way. And I'm dealing with 3 cameras already. I just don't want to add a 4th. Now they've added dynamics, well, mezzo forte, okay, fine, whatever. And once you can do these things, okay, with no hesitations, there's a duet thing at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play sticky fingers along with me. Now, the duet is only for 1 page at a time. So you're going to have to do the duet twice if you want to do each hand. I'm only going to play it once. So I'll give us 4 counts. I'm going to play the duet, and you can play either page you want, or play the duet multiple times. I don't care. I'll give us 4 counts. Did I say that? I can't remember. Whatever. 1, 2, ready, go.